I think it's broken that people who contribute enormous amounts of value by creating open source infrastructure don't get paid and often don't even get recognized, while people who build companies on top of that infrastructure get to collect all of the money.
It causes people to sort of stop wanting to do what they do best.
The value retrieved from open source is not going to the people who actually create the value.
Only very privileged people can contributing a lot, and that's very unfair.
I think that open source has been a cult of personality movement, and it needs to move more in the direction of a personal responsibility movement so that people feel more ownership and more agency.
It would be awesome if everyone releasing all their things led to a level playing field, but it doesn't.
The thing that I'm starting to realize is that without really having any way of monetizing and funding open source, we now have a whole pile of people that are not being paid, that are working in unsustainable sort of models.
There's a lot of maintainer burnout and people don't get fairly compensated for their time.
Those that are passionate about technology are instinctively tactical. And so there is not that same level of passion or proactive instinct around sustainability, around governance, designing in mechanisms to avoid burnout, designing the container rather than just the code.
It is broken in the way that communities are skewed and dominated by people who look like me, and people of different backgrounds are unable to get access to these projects and become contributors to these communities.